John, good afternoon. This is Engramar from Data Engineering Pilipinas, one of the moderators. And first of all, thank you for joining this session. Introduce yourself. And yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody, and Sir Engramar. My name is John Harry M. Duwabis from Nobeleta, Cavite. I'm 23 years old and I just graduated with a bachelor's degree in computer science at Cavite State University, Cavite City Campus. And I just finished the Pi4E course last week, and now we're going to have a short recap.
Yep. Thanks for that, John. And I guess if you notice, it's actually consists of two parts, right? The first part is sort of like the building blocks of a programming language, particularly Python in this case. And the second part is more of like practical applications using libraries as well. So anyway, how's your experience, your overall impression? I guess let's start from that.
Of course, from the first part, it was pretty easy for me because I have a background in it, and it's pretty much the foundation of every programming language, and I was familiar. But when it comes to applying some real world or applying it in real world projects, that's where I start to struggle. But I still managed to pass it, and with the help of utilizing AI to explain some things to me in simpler terms, and that's how I overcame that second part. But yeah, it was pretty solid experience for me, and this is the first online course actually that I finished because uh, it was more of like testing the water for me if I can finish this course, and I'm happy that I finished it. And yeah, that's it's a good experience.
Thanks for that, John. And I think you hit the nail on the head there. With your background in computer science, it's just a walk in the park for you.
Yes, I hope someday I can build a project that I can present in Data Masters. Hopefully next year.
Yep, no problem. You take your time. Gala muna. especially during Christmas, right? With the family and friends. And that's what I miss in the Philippines.
I appreciate how Dr. Chuck gave a little bit of context about how computer works before going into programming part of the course. And that's a good context for the beginners to understand what they're doing when they are programming.
I think that's the reason why I encourage, beginners, especially complete beginners, to jump in and just try. Even the first few chapters, you will actually learn a lot there.
You've done some coding in that course. You can try to explain your code line by line so you can understand it better, and maybe try to utilize AI to explain the things to you in a more simple way. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did to pass the course.
That's good. Yeah, and I think you did the right thing. And I think we should not see Gen AI or generative AI like ChatGPT as like some form of cheating or something. It's not really the case. It's sort of like as what Microsoft named it. It's a co-pilot, right?
Yes.
Sort of like you're still the pilot.